Greetings all, my name is JD from Studio 2105. Welcome back to a brand new unboxing video. Haven't done one of these in a while. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the Yamaha AG03 Mark II live streaming pack. But that's not all. I'm also going to be giving away this product to one lucky viewer, so stay tuned and watch till the end of this video to find out how. If you are new to this channel, a warm welcome to you. Please do click on the subscribe button if you're not yet a subscriber, and click on the notification bell as well so that you'll be updated on all my video uploads, right? Such as this and other content as well on my channel. A big thank you to Yamaha Music for sponsoring this video, as well as sponsoring, right, the giveaway prize for the lucky winner. The Yamaha AG03 Mark II live streaming pack consists of the aforementioned AG03 Mark II live streaming mixer, the Yamaha YCM01 condenser microphone, and a pair of YH-MT1 monitoring headphones. I've talked about the AG03 Mark II's bigger brother, right, the AG06 Mark II, right, in another video. So for details on this product, right, the specs and all that, please do check out this video. The YCM01 is a side address back electret condenser microphone, right? This is the normal form factor that we're used to of the typical condenser. The technical documents don't really state the diameter, but you know, I suspect, right, typically for most microphones of this type, this is probably a small diaphragm condenser. Polar pattern wise, this is cardiac only, which is perfectly fine, right, for individual use or solo use. Rounding off the whole package are a pair of YH-MT1 monitoring headphones. Alright, time to unbox the Yamaha AG03 Mark II live streaming pack. Okay, so it says here, Yamaha AG live streaming pack, pack AG03 Police streaming. Pardon my French. Okay, what else it says here? Some other product details, 3kg, Yamaha Corporation. Oh, there's a very interesting thing here. Made in Malaysia. That's fascinating. I wonder that does it refer to the box or does it refer to the product? I mean the mixer and all that. I've got to find it out, and let me try and find out and see whether this is made in Malaysia or not. Right? If I don't find the information in here, right, maybe I'll just leave a little a little caption below to see. Okay, so let's open up the box. We start off by opening up the front flap here. All right. Right, it says in front here, stream yourself. very firm. They got a sense of humor, I think. Let's take this out, and what do we have here? So first of all, these are the technical specifications, and this looks like a user manual as well. And below that, this is a pouch, right? So this is probably the pouch, right, for the microphone. Very nice touch that they provide this. And some cables here we have, right, it's bundled with an XLR cable, very handy, right? So you don't need to be buying one. So it's always good to have a spare. This is, looks like this is the USB-C cable. And what is this thing lying down here? Oh, this is the, this is the microphone mount, okay? Right, this for mounting to a mic stand. So let's take all these things out. Right, put this here. Take away this first layer of styrofoam, and what do we have here? Very cool. So let's take things out of the way. Let's go one by one first. All right, so this one here, this is the Yamaha AG03 Mark II. Let me open up the plastic very carefully. Right. And let's check it out. So I did the video on the AG06, which is the bigger brother of this. So one of the things I mentioned right in the previous video is that the AG06 obviously has more channels, but the one cool feature about the AG03 is that it is actually operated by a fader, which, you know, in my opinion, it's always nice. It's always very, very cool, right? Much more user-friendly to operate, right? And to adjust levels via a fader, right? Instead of knobs. But, you know, as I mentioned, probably, you know, they're trying to squeeze the amount of like 6 inputs, I think, into the AG06. Might be a little bit tough, so they had to go with knobs on the AG06. But the AG03 has got faders on the channel number 1, which is for the vocal. So which is super, super cool. If you are a solo musician, right, a solo singer, and you're doing live streaming, you don't anticipate ever gonna have, like, you know, be more than 2 microphones or something like that. The AG03 is going to be the perfect choice, right? In fact, I would probably prefer this if I am a solo person. So, right, check out that video on the AG06 Mark II, right? All the specs and everything is identical. It's just that the differences are only based on the number of channels. And of course, right, channel 1, as I mentioned, right, on the AG03, very, very cool. This is a fader. Let's check this one out next. This is the Yamaha, right, YH-MT1 headphones. Let's take it out. And I like the color of these headphones, man. It's like a really nice white and gray finish. Very, very stylish. I mean, you know, it would look really, really good, right, to be wearing this, right? Not only if you're live streaming, but heck, even if you're outdoors, man. So, okay, I noticed here. The headphones are made in Taiwan, right? So, right, the made in Malaysia thing is probably not referring to all the products, lah. The specs aren't really available. I've checked it on the website. I couldn't really find the specs for the YH-MT1. There are no, you know, like on the website, I couldn't really find details. I tried Googling it. You know, maybe if anyone has got information, has got details, you can probably check it out, lah. Okay. Right, and of course, this is the cable. There's probably some information in there, but it's in Korean, so I can't read Korean, so we'll see. Material looks like the it's really, really nice, soft faux leather, right? Material. This one feels really, really soft to touch. I'm sure it'll be very, very comfortable wearing this, right? In fact, let me just take a quick wear. Oh yeah, it's really, really nice, right? It's really, really soft, right? Very lightweight. And this sort of material, right, I think would probably be very cool, right? So it's not going to be too hot. It's got a very, very nice, comfortable, padded, you know, headband as well. So kudos, this is very, very cool indeed, right, to be bundling this. And last but not least, let me take this out first, right? And let me keep the box. Let's just put it up here, then I can just put the mixer and the headphones and all that on top. So there you go, the AG03, the mixer itself. Where does it say where is it made of? Let me take a look and see. This is manufacturer Yamaha Corporation, and here you go, there you go, made in Malaysia. Yeah, Malaysia boleh, man. Okay. So that's very, very cool. So looks like the AG03 and the 06 are made in Malaysia. Okay, very, very proud that these products are being made here locally. The test unit that I have actually, right, I did not know where it was made because there was actually a prototype from Japan. So, right, it's very cool. So the production models, right, of the AG03 mixers are made in Malaysia. So what about the microphone? Let's check it out. Let's open up the packaging, and voila, this is the YCM01 condenser microphone. So as you can see, this, you know, keeps in line with the styling of, right, the AG01 microphone, right? I mean, the entire range of these products, the AG products, have this kind of a retro styling to them. This is of course the white and the, is this rose gold, right? It's like the white and kind of the rose color scheme. Not sure whether the 03, the pack is available in black as well. No, I'm not too sure, right? But this is the YCM01. So this is the front, okay? Yamaha logo, right, with the cardioid polar pattern here, indicating and telling you that this is the front of the microphone, right? Okay, let's see. And the mic, right, is made in China. So very interesting. This product, all right, it's sourced from several different countries, made in Malaysia, made in Taiwan, and the microphone is made in China. So I do have some of the specs of the YCM01, the microphone, right? Here is the mic mount, and let me just very quickly, right, take a look. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a back electret condenser type. Technically, an electret is supposed to be a permanently charged, but right, in this case, this one does require phantom power. So what else in the specs, right? Polar pattern, cardioid, frequency response 30 Hz to 20 kHz, sensitivity -37 dB ±3 dB, okay? Output impedance 200 ohms, 30% and 1 kHz, right? Let's go to the important ones, okay? So equivalent noise level is less or equal to 23 dB A weighted. Maximum input SPL, okay, 130 dB, pardon me, right? With total harmonic distortion less than or equal to 1% at 1 kHz. So now I will have to do this and test this, right, and put this under its paces. 130 dB is quite okay, right? It's not bad. It's good, considerable amount. But I've had in the past, right, test some other microphones where, you know, sometimes, you know, the microphone seems to distort or seems to clip at even sound sources that are way softer than 130 dB. So, right, but those are obviously much more cheaper products than this. But anyway, what else is there? Okay, operating temperature, dimensions, 55 millimeters, 166 millimeters. Nice and handy, okay, it's not too big. Weight is 0.4 kg. It feels pretty substantial, right? What other important stuff there is? So let me put this down. Frequency response, that's very cool. You know, I love all the technical specs, right? So frequency response is here. I'll probably leave the chart and put the chart in the video as well, so you take a look. So it is generally really flat, except for there is a peak here at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? At about, you know, 9 to 10 kilohertz, there is this little peak right here, a little bit kind of a presence or an air peak. And then after that, there's quite a considerable roll off when it comes to, let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12, like from 13K onwards, there is a little bit of roll off. Well, a couple of dB, right, you know, of a roll off. So this is, again, you know, it's typical for condenser microphones, right, of this price range. I'm sure it's going to be perfectly sounding great, right? It's going to sound perfectly great for live streaming purposes, right? For home recording purposes, this is going to be great. So there you have it, right? Those are the products, right? This is what's inside the box of the AG03 Mark II live streaming pack. So super exciting. I'm really excited. I'm going to be, right, giving this entire package away to one lucky winner, right? So, right, do watch till the rest of the video to find out how. So now here comes the part which everyone's excited about, the giveaway. So how will you win yourself, right, this product, the Yamaha AG03 Mark II live streaming pack? Super simple, two things. If you're not yet a subscriber, you gotta click on the subscribe button. And secondly, right, you have to leave a comment down in the comment section below. All you need to do is comment on why you think you deserve to win yourself the copy of this product. I will go through all the comments, and the best, the most creative, perhaps, right, the funniest comment, right, will stand a chance to win themselves this product. So thanks for joining me on this unboxing video. Thank you once again to Yamaha Music Malaysia for sponsoring this video and also the prize giveaway. Remember to subscribe and also to give your best and the most creative comment down below. I can't wait to give away this prize, right, to one lucky viewer out there. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. See you in another video real soon. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. Happy recording and mixing. Peace, love and music.